What's up, YouTube? I'm gonna be doing the display vlog. But what I've done tonight is I have installed this up here, cleared off my bench so I can work here a bit more. I've also installed this up on this wall, which is just a set of fan blades. Trying to organize the stuff up here. Got to clear off my workbench and clean up the shed a little bit so I can walk around here a bit more better. Yesterday, actually the other day on Saturday's vlog, I fixed this light, so now it's working again. It's finally working again, and the old bulbs. One bulb does still work. The old bulbs are up here in the cardboard sleeves that came with those two up there. One bulb still works, one's bad. Now I have a bigger collection up here. That burnt out one, I don't know what I might do with it. I might throw it away or something. But my display is getting quite big. I fixed another light which is inside my house. I didn't get this fixed. Couldn't find a bulb for it, so I just leave it like that for now. This one's still got the original bulb in it. That's good. Bulb's about 4 years old now, so these are 1 year old, so they're brand new, so about 3 days old now. Haven't done any work to this for a while. I might need to clean it though. I didn't dump the blades in the walls. I don't see that dusty up there. I can't clean it when it does need it. This is just hanging up here with a screw. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna prep these boards to be hung up. So thanks for today's video. Thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you like and subscribe. It is raining outside, so I have the door shut. Make sure you like and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. And peace out.